Hi friends, today we are going to solve minimum number of operations required to reach n from 0. You have two valid operation available. You could double the number or add 1 to the number. So from 0 you have to reach the number n. So in that case, how many operations you could perform? So way of doing is a greedy approach, but in greedy approach you would not always get the proper answer. So here we will be applying one more method. So first let us create a count variable which will be storing the number of operations we have performed, and let's write a while loop while our number is not equal to 0. If, and in this case we are basically from trying to reach 0 from that n number. So from 8 we are trying to reach 0. So the first time is like 8 divided by 2. There are two operations that could be performed. So 8 divided by 2 would be 4. Then 4 divided by 2 would be 2. And 2 divided by 2 would be 1. And 1, when the value is odd, then we just basically subtract one value. And in case of even, we are just dividing it by 2. So that's the idea. So if n percentage 2, and last will be returning the count value. I hope it works. Let's try to run it. As you could see, the current value is 4. So this is a very basic kind of problem which would be easier for anyone to solve. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.